We're celebrating the wines of Wales, but also we're celebrating fish from Wales, seafood from Wales. I got a beautiful white wine from Montgomery Vineyard. So it's in the east, one of the highest vineyards in Britain, but producing some of the finest wine in Britain. A white wine made from the Solaris Grape. So it's nice and fresh, good acidity, and it's going to go perfectly with Seabass. Wild, look at that fish. Wild Seabass caught in the North Waters yesterday. Or if not, if you like your mackerel on the barbecue, very simply cooked, they're beautiful fish, both of them. And they'll go perfectly with this fresh white wine. It's got a sort of herbaceous nose. It's a little bit like Sauvignon Blanc. On the palate, green apples, acidity, nice to go with the fish. And this fish is healthy. Lots of omega, high in omega oils, low in fat. It's a very healthy option. Food miles is coming straight from the waters of North Wales, straight to us. The wine is coming from just down the road here in the hills of Montgomery. It's a perfect combination. And the fish is sustainable. There's good stock. This is the fish to have, and this is the wine to have with it. Welsh wine and Welsh seafood.